everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, hello, my name's Ebony and today we've got a little bit of a fashion haul and try on thing. First things first, I would like to disclaim that today's video is a gifted collaboration with Saint and Sofia. So I'm not being paid to say anything, all these views will be my own, but these items were gifted to me, so just wanted to put that out there first of all. Saint and Sofia, who are they? Have you heard of them? Maybe you haven't. So let me educate you. They are a London-based brand. Their HQ are based around the corner from where I work in London, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to read a few things from their website because I don't want to get things wrong, and I feel like they're going to be able to put it a lot more eloquently than I can. We believe in challenging the status quo, thinking differently and fusing art and science. We work with family-owned fabric mills and leather tanneries in Italy, Portugal and Turkey, and we have dedicated sampling studios and production facilities in Italy and Bulgaria. So Saint and Sofia are very design-led, they're very chic, very on-trend and very classic, I would say. Those are the words I would use to describe Saint and Sofia. I feel like their items are high quality and classic, kind of timeless, if you will. And then finally, I wanted to mention Saint and Sofia's ideas around sustainability. So here are a few of the steps that they're taking as a manufacturer to be as sustainable as possible. So that includes biodegradable packaging, which I'll show you in a minute, using natural or regenerated materials, sourcing raw materials close to production, and collaborating with the Wild Fund for Nature, planting trees with Trees for Cities, and using GOTS certified organic cotton. So not only are this company based right here in London, they're also working really hard to remain sustainable, environmentally friendly, but also trendy. So without further ado, let me show you what I've got. So this is the package. So it's a bit loud, I'm going to open it up and then show you what I got. So these are my items, and I'm going to start off with this one. So this first item is the creamy white ribbed roll neck, and just getting it out of the pack, it feels, I can't even talk. Just getting it out of the packet, it feels so high quality. It's this great stretchy material. Even the label is just such good quality. Yeah, I really like this. It seems like it's going to be a good length as well, so I can't wait to try that one. I've just noticed on the packaging it actually says down here, not plastic. This is biodegradable. Yes, Saint and Sofia, thank you. I am sick of these fast fashion brands coming out with plastic this, plastic that. No, we can be sustainable, and Saint and Sofia proves that. So this next item is called the Easy Tee, and it's in white. I got, again, a size 12. And it looks like it's going to be a great fit. On the website you can actually look at reviews, or not reviews, sorry, you can look at the description and it will tell you how it fits. So if it's like a true to size, an oversized fit, or a kind of tight fit, it will tell you. So that's what I kind of base my sizing off of. But I've never ever had like a really good high quality plain white t-shirt. Whenever I have t-shirts, it usually has a slogan of some sort on it, or it's like from a lower quality brand. So I really wanted to get this white t-shirt, especially from Saint and Sofia, knowing that it's going to be really high quality, long lasting, and a really good fit as well, I'm hoping, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's this t-shirt. I'm thinking of styling that with some blue jeans and maybe a blazer. I feel like that'd be cute with lots of gold jewellery, accessorize it up, maybe a pair of cute little mule-heeled sandals. We shall see. Now this next item I got because it kind of reminded me of last summer. Does everyone remember that Zara dress? That Zara dress with it's white with the black polka dots. It kind of reminded me of that, but with its own little spin and little twist, and I'm excited to try this because I've never had anything really like this. It's this polka dotty white dress. Let's have a look at the size. Sizing looks good. Again, I got this in a size 12 and it looks good. It's got a zip at the back. And the kind of unique element to this dress is that the hem at the bottom of the dress is kind of like A-line. It's not quite straight, it's like a bit A-line, so it gives it a bit of a more modern twist, which I'm excited to see on. And then you've got the 3/4 length sleeves. Again, the material feels incredible. It feels really high quality, really like heavy, long lasting material. So I'm really excited to try that with like little black boots, lots of gold accessories. I'm really excited to style this up. And then finally, I feel like I am the queen of blazers. I've got blazers in about 10 different colours, honestly. I love a blazer. It can look super cute dressed down with a white t-shirt, jeans and some Air Force Ones, but then you can so easily dress it up and put it over the top of an evening dress, like over a slip cami dress. Oh, for your clubbing nights in the summer when you just need a light jacket. I love, love, love a blazer. So I could not pass the opportunity to get a really high quality luxe tailored blazer from Saint and Sofia. I feel like this is very iconic of Saint and Sofia. If you go on their website, their things are very kind of monochrome. That's what I noticed. There are a few colourful items at the minute, especially with summer coming up, but I noticed a lot of monochromatic kind of themes, so like a lot of blacks, a lot of whites, and just everything being very tailored. They do some really good trousers, and I loved the look of this blazer, so I cannot wait to try it on. It feels really incredible. It feels really soft. I can't wait to try that on. That might even look good if you were going kind of doing like a day to night thing with that white dress with the polka dots. I feel like you could rock that in the daytime, summer in the park with some flat sandals and like a cute beach bag, and then dress it up for the evening with a really cute sleek little black leather bag and a blazer and a hoop and your hair in a bun. Oh my god, I'm already picturing it. Do you know what, it's getting me so nostalgic because I miss being able to like wear my clothes out the house. I live in pajamas. Like right now I'm wearing pajama shorts. You wouldn't know it, but I'm wearing pajama shorts. I'm living in active wear. The only reason I go out is to go to the shop or to go for a run, and then I'm wearing leggings. So this is getting me really excited to be able to, you know, style myself again. So I can't wait to do the try on portion of this video. So I am back after filming that try on portion, and I have some thoughts. So first of all, my favourite outfit by far was the white t-shirt, jeans and the black blazer look. I loved it. I paired it with some black slip-on mules that I got a few years ago, and I just felt the most comfortable and confident in that outfit. It was kind of like a model off-duty, casual, but you know, fancy with the blazer. It felt like I was wearing something really high quality, and yeah, I just felt like I looked the best in that outfit. And then I would say that the item that I was surprised by was the white and black polka dot dress. I really like loved the idea of this dress, and I do like it on. There's just this kind of tiny element that makes me feel a little bit self-conscious, which is the way that the material gathered around my lower stomach. It felt like, I don't know how it came across on camera, how it looked, but for me it felt a bit clingy on my lower stomach. But from the waist up, I love the shape and the silhouette, the quality of the material, the length of the sleeve, the neckline. I love the length on me, and the A-line isn't too A-line to where it's like a big statement. It's just like a little bit of a different kind of edgy twist on the dress. It was just that lower stomach part, but I felt the way the material gathered, and also on my chest, I felt like my chest was maybe a tiny bit too big for the dress, but then I felt like if I sized up, then it might be maybe not as fitted on the shoulders, and it might not fit as well in other places. So I guess the only way to have tested that would be to have ordered 2 sizes, but for now, I mean, I think if I just wore, like, you know, those high-waisted knickers that suck you in, you know what I'm talking about? Maybe if I wore something like that, it would be able to combat it. I really enjoyed the material quality, because I find a lot of dresses in this kind of genre style can be maybe see-through from the lower quality brands, whereas this one I felt like was a really good quality, high quality dress. Really good investment for summer. So those are my final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what your favourite look or outfit was that I put together. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!